Okay, right now my AC is off, but when I turn on yesterday, it doesn't cool down the house. And right now 78 here. I check the vent. It's 82. So let's turn on the AC. For 70 degrees. Wonder if you hear the fans running already. Okay. The fan is blowing here. The air is blowing from the vent. And let's check the temperature. 83. So let's check the outside temperature. 100 degrees. I'm pointing at the 103. Okay, now let's check the temperature about the fan. 102. So it's no different. The temperature is supposed to be, if the compressor is running, the temperature is supposed to be warm air coming out, so it's not. And let's check the line going to the house from the condenser. This is the line. Let's check the temperature. (102), so the same as the outside temperature. What does that mean is the compressor is not running, and no, it's supposed to be cold here and warm or hot up here. So what does that mean is inside here the capacitor is more likely to be broken and need to be replaced. And also there's no water coming out from the AC condenser pipe. So what does that mean is either the compressor broke or the capacitor broke. So the easy way to fix it first is to replace the capacitor, which is pretty cheap, around like 20 to 30 bucks. So after I've done some research online and found out that for my case, the condenser fan runs and not blowing cold air most of the time, is this guy's problem. That is the capacitor. What I did, I already replaced it with this one I bought from Amazon. And this is the one that had problems. This is the problem one. Does not show any sign of problems. But I'm thinking a $15 to $20 a piece. Why not just replace it first? If it works, then I solve the problem. If not, then probably the compressor problem. When you buy the capacitor online from Amazon, such as, make sure the number here matches my 4545 plus 5, 5. And then this is the voltage, 440 volt AC, 440 volt AC. And then you have to make sure it matches here, the 10,000 AFC, the 10,000 AFC. So all this matches, then you're good to go. So this is what I did. I bought this and we put a new one in and replace the old one. This is the old one. So let me show you where the thing is. So inside here is the capacitor. Before I even open up the case, make sure you unplug the switch here. So here is the main switch. And here the plug to pull you out. Disconnect the power. So no electricity will go to the condenser. So mine has 4 bolts holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4 holding the cover. So just remove those bolts and take out the cover. So here, that's the capacitor I replaced. This is a new one that I bought from Amazon. But before you remove anything, make sure these two are coming in here, and you have to find out, make sure there's no electricity, zero, before you discharge the conductor. And you can look up online how to discharge the conductor by shorting out each connection. And also for my you see here the wire. I have two yellows, one blue and one brown. And before you connect it, take a picture, see how they goes first. And let me pull out the old one. So here you see the blue one is the HERM, HERM, and then yellow is C, and then the brown is the fan. So make sure that you connect the wire correctly and follow the picture of what you took, and make sure you discharge the capacitor, because even though you disconnect the power supply, there's still electricity inside here. So learn how to discharge it. People short it like that with a screwdriver that has a rubber handle, so we don't get electric shock, so be very careful. So this is the new capacitor I replaced already, and I'll show you how it works and fix my problem. Before you turn on your AC, don't forget this, to plug it back in. So inside the house 81 degrees, let's turn on the AC. So here we see the fans running. See the temperature outside? It's 92. Look at the fan. 110, 111, so it's blowing hot air. And down here is where the pipe is supposed to be cold. See, look here, 90 degrees on the pavement. And look at here, 77, 72. So now that's working after we replace the capacitor. And the condenser is dripping water like crazy, so now it is working. So the temperature start cooling down now. And okay, let's check the ceiling. 76 up the vent. 60s. So the temperature is cooling down. So if you have the same condition I have, the condenser fan blowing, but inside the house not blowing cold air, you may consider to change the capacitor first. It only costs $15 to $20 to change it. And see what happens. If that fixes the problem, then you save yourself a lot of money. Alright, thanks for watching. So the temperature went down from 80 to 75 degrees right now.